Tiny's mom isn't here. So this is now Tiny's wooden shields, sponsored by Wiparamini. So it's already finished, and let's take a look. So this area here is the shower room, which is we already had the shower. And it is connected to the faucet. And this one right here, it is also connected to the other room, which is the toilet room. And this is where the water drains to septic tank. So this is the shower area. So let's take a look to the toilet room. So we have here the other door, which is to the toilet. So they have trash can, and also here the toilet bowl and another faucet. And they also have this one. Shower tissue. This is for the tissue. Oh, they also have tissue here. High tech. And this is what I am talking about earlier. So it is connected to the two rooms. And is this one? Oh, I think it's chlorine. I think for cleaning. So and this is solar light. Solar light. I will be asking Tiny's mother about that one later if they will come home. So this is now the finished product of Tiny CR. So the two rooms who has a two faucet, these are all connected to their main faucet outside. So yun man. Ate! Asa si Tiny? Palihog daw ko te. Ate ba? Kani siya? Solar?
Oo, katunang da answered nga nagbuba niya giayo ka sa kumbana.
Okay, so this is solar light. So musika na siya every night. Musika na? Okay, sige. So maayo noon. So you took my advice nga magbutang og solar so that dili mag ngit-ngit, no? Okay, so since we have solar here, the toilet area or the toilet room, so there is a shower at the opsoyo, no? Wala ra. But maun sa mga balhin-balhin ra siya. Since it is clip man, no? So pwede ra siya balhin sa shower area. Okay? So kisay nagkuha na niti nagpalit sa butanganan sa tissue.
Kuan ka na.
I think it's expensive.
Sa amigo na ni Rodil Kerry.
Oh, sa gihatag ron na.
Itaog niya sa
So may noon no kay nakalibre ka siya. Sige.
Wala lang na ito. Wala na ito.
So this is the back portion of the CR. So there is no finishing here since they lack cement. So the father of Tiny wasn't able to calculate the materials accurately. It's because they lack some materials. This is now the roof and the side. the CR's process kay dugay jud siya sa actually it's because it is only Tiny's father who work with the CR, and I don't know for your reason as well. So but the best part is that it is already done, even though nadugay siya, but the important thing human na sakto. Okay, so kasi nag-sponsor ani.
Parang ni.
Okay, so how about you, Ate Tiny? Are you happy that you already have CR?
Yes, teacher.
Ano man, why?
Na-shower, sir.
Are you excited to have a shower?
Yes, sir.
So, magunsa man ka na, magana na ka. Sige, try daw Vin, so pag-shower. Okay, so, and then, it is very important to you because you are also a student, right? So, kung naay mag-CR, mangihi, dili ra ka masamok, it's because lain man, separate man ang shower area sa toilet room, right?
Yes, teacher.
So, dili na ka malate sa school. Okay, so, how about you, Ate? How about you? Happy ra ka nga na may CR?
Happy kayo, sir.
So,
Salamat kayo.
actually, CR is one of the most important part of the house.
Para dyan sa akong mga anak, ay mga babae puro dyan.
So, magaling itawag siya CR for the word itself, comfort room. So, kung naglain na inyong mga gibati, dili na mo mudagan bisag asa. So, you are just going here at your new CR. Wow, sana all. So, nara may message ni Param ni?
We parang name, thank you so much for giving me tiny CR and shower.
How about you, Ate Tiny?
Thank you for the shower and CR. Thank you very much.
So, how about that you've already had your CR and also you are sponsored and supported by Wiparamin, right? So, what will you promise to Wiparamin?
I promise na magtarong sa pag-iskila na makahuman job ko.
Sure.
Yes.
Very hard.
Okay, so I hope that since we cannot pay forward to Wiparamin, actually it's because we're not that rich, right? But being a good person, being a good daughter, and being a good student is enough for him. Okay? Enough na kayo na niya nga tarong ta nga pagkatao. We're good people, good Samaritan, especially sa atong mga neighbors. Okay? So the urban poor mindset, unsay buhaton, ipabilin wag tangon.
Pagtayon.
Wag tangon no. Kaya nga naman, dili na siya makaayo na to. We will not grow and improve if ang urban poor mindset magpabilin. Sakto? Nadyo na sa meeting per mi ate, no? Okay, so, please tell your husband as well, ate, na thank you for working with the CR. Okay, ate? So, he is still working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige, so, I hope that by using the CR, dili lang ingon nga pabayaan na ha. Maintain the cleanliness and take good care of it. Okay? Kay basin, 1 month from now, guba na ang purtahan. Ha? So you have to take good care as well. It's because the money that was supported by that CR, kay gihaguan sad, gitrabahuan sad ni Wiparamin. Okay? So let us not waste the sponsors' hard work. Ha? Kasabo?
Yes, sir.
So thank you so much Wiparamin and gonggang haseyo.
Anyang hasayo, parang name, kamsamida.
Okay, dongan tayo ate gonggang haseyo.
Gonggang hasayo.
Fighting!
Fighting.
Okay, bye-bye, T. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Kamsamida.